The wolf is the most enigmatic animal among the living animals. Its way of life and habits often leads people to wonder what kind of animal this ferocious predator or a loyal and faithful member of his pack. Although wolves folded a lot of legends and tales to learn who he really can only because of the research of scientists and their scientific papers. But in order not to spend too much time selecting appropriate literature, we have selected 20 interesting facts that will help you learn who is really a wolf. 1. A wolf has a brain 30% larger than that of a dog, which means that the wolf is able to remember more necessary information than its close relative. 2. The leader of the pack always walks ahead of his pack with his tail held high. 3. The size of the animal in the hierarchy is not as important as the character. 4. The wolf's position in the pack depends largely on self-confidence. 5. Wolf's fur consists of 2 layers of undercoat and top stiff hair. The undercoat does not moisture and keeps the animal warm in cold weather, while the top coat provides color and performs water repellent. 6. Packs are always led by an alpha male and an alpha female. 7. The lowest position in the flock is occupied by the omegas, the male and female with a softer temperament. 8. The largest wolf was shot in Ukraine in the Poltava region, his weight 86 kilograms. 9. The coloration of wolves often corresponds to the places in which they live. For example, desert wolves, tundra wolves have a reddish hue, while forest wolves range in color from light gray-brown to black. 10. The older wolf of the pack, not always the leader, he can perform the role of omega. 11. All wolf cubs at birth have blue eyes, but after 4 months, the color of the cub's eyes, the color of the eyes changes and becomes golden yellow in color. Only in rare cases do wolves remain blue eyes for life. 12. Wolves have their own system of communication. They use howling, growling, and even different movements. 13. A wolf can run at a speed of 65 kilometers per hour and jump up to 5 meters in height. 14. The offspring of an alpha female and an alpha male are raised and fed by the whole pack. 15. There are frequent fights between neighboring wolf clans for territory. In such fights, usually not the whole pack is killed, but only its leaders. 16. The territory of one family occupies from 30 to 60 square kilometers. 17. During the night, a wolf may cover a distance of 80 kilometers. 18. It is proved that the wolf's mental abilities are better than those of a dog. Scientists at the Vienna Veterinary University of Vienna conducted an experiment involving 15 mongrel puppies and 14 wolf cubs 6 months old. All of the animals involved in the experiment were shown how a trained dog with its teeth and paws to open a wooden box of food. Then each puppy was then able to try to cope with the task himself. The result amazed the scientists. Only 4 mongrels cope with the task, but all 14 wolves were able to open the box using the same techniques as a trained dog. The experiment proves that wolf cubs are good at remembering and able to learn. 19. The biggest wolf pack can consist of 40 individuals. 20. In North America, wolves with black fur are often found. Scientists have determined that it is not a typical wolf color and that the mutation is a result of a cross between a wolf and a dog. Between a wolf and a dog, resulting in hybrids.